Day 8 is here. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me yet again. Very honoured. So thank you. So day 8, it's all about the Christmas bedding. Ooh, I hear you cry. It's something that we like to do in our household for our kids, is to start the kind of roll up to Christmas and the Christmas decks with decorating their room a little bit with Christmas bedding. And it just gives that extra little Christmassy vibe, and something that also can be used year on year on year on end. So it's very cost effective in that way. And so my littlest today has had his bedding put on for the first time. We bought him a brand new set this year because he is a Home Alone fanatic. And amazingly, Georgia Asda had got a brilliant set available, so we've bought that for him this year and it's gone on today. So the start of Christmas in the Davis household is slowly creeping in, ready for the weekend, so we're very excited. But yeah, try it out. It's another little thing. You don't have to go mad in bedrooms and things like that. I'm sure there's some people that do, and that's lovely. We don't tend to. We just stick with bedding, maybe a few little trinkets here and there, but it just makes the bedroom just feel a little bit different and a little bit more cosy. And I know he's gone to bed tonight ridiculously excited to watch Home Alone whilst in his Home Alone bedding. Bless him. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9. Bye guys.